Oh, damn, which one's a Chinese one? That's probably it.
You stop make bing bong. Every bing bong 2 cents. What you want?
Yeah, I'm here to pick up my cleaning. Oh, cool, look at that. Oh, this seems like it'd be a great place to work. But I didn't go to college.
That $20.
Hey, I think you forgot my shirt.
There no shirt.
Well, no, I know you have my white shirt. Can you check again?
No need check. I know have your shirt.
Listen here, washy, you do have my shirt.
I know have your shirt.
You, yes, have my shirt.
You get out of my store.
You give me shirt.
You go, I call police.
You no dare call police.
Oh, you want to play game, fatso? You big 911.
Fine, I go. But there's no over. I take picture of Ang Lee.
Good. He do too many white people movie anyway. You no come back ever. I know like you American. And all you American look alike.
Oh, we all look alike, do we? Well, look who's talking.
Oh, the Mr. Sulu show. Sulu, he's star of the show. Other guys just along for the ride. Drop it, or I blow your head off.
Listen, washy, that's my shirt and I ain't leaving here without it.
Then know your shirt.
Oh, yeah? Okay, it's not my shirt.
You break in my house, I can kill you legally.
Fine, shoot me, but you're gonna ruin the shirt.
Take off shirt.
Well, it seems we're at an impasse. How do you propose we settle this?
We have fight, but I pick venue.
Deal.
Round 1, fight!
Go, go! Oh, ho, 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 ho.
You lose.